I can only live if there's light, but I die if a light shines on me. A shadow! A shadow!
Correct answer, a shadow.
Bye, Mom. I'm off to school.
Sissy, I got a riddle.
Hurry, read it to me.
What can run but can't walk? A turkey?
No, don't say turkey.
Final answer.
It's a river. It's a river.
Are you sure?
I think so.
A river. Correct answer, a river.
Oh no, I just got a riddle.
Hurry, read it out loud. We can all help you.
What has 21 eyes but can't see?
21 eyes but can't see. Come on, give him suggestions.
I don't know.
I know the answer. It's 10.5 blind people.
Incorrect. Correct answer, a dice.
Oh no, I got another riddle.
5 times 84, Brianna, what's the answer? You can't use any words? Act it out then, please. 420 is correct. 420 times 69, Jimmy? He didn't have any words left.
It's not a word. It's not a word.
Did you hear her scream in math class today? She's such a loser. Brittany, you only had one word left.
Please spare me. I didn't know haha was a word. Please.
Yay, Sissy came to pick me up.
You two speak right now or I'm going to kill your mother.
Mommy!
I said speak!
Happy birthday!
Wow, a gummy bear.
Thank you!
There's one more gift for you.
Who's it from?
There was no name.
It's blank. Happy birthday!
Thank you.
Now there's one more gift. Another card.
Does it say who it's from?
It doesn't say anything. It's another blank card.
Happy Sweet 16!
Thank you. Let me guess. Another blank card?
Yes, it's the same one as always.
Who would do that? Every single year.
Happy birthday! Ooh, you got a card? Who's it from?
I don't know. Every year on my birthday since I was 10, I've received a blank card in the mail.
That's kind of creepy.
Wait a minute. White ink. There's something written in this card. White ink. These cards aren't blank. There's something written in them.
My papa reads encrypted messages for a living. We can take the cards to him and find out what they say.
What do you have for me?
This is the first card I received when I was 10.
Ah, yes. Find me where the flowers grow. I'm in the garden down below.
That doesn't make sense. What is it? Some kind of riddle?
Maybe we'll understand if we read all the cards.
This is the second card.
XYZXB. That is the key to set me free.
Do you have a pencil?
Here.
What are you doing?
I'm writing it down. It must be some kind of code. This is the third card.
The place I am you have in your memory. We used to play there before you were stolen from me.
Wait a minute. I know the place. Bye, Mom. I'm off to school.
Aren't you going to school?
I'm trying. What in the world? Play.
Here's the exam. It should take you about 3 hours to complete it.
No, if only I could fast forward it. Oh, wait. I can. Is that my exam?
That's impossible. That only took you 1.2 seconds.
Yeah, I'm just super smart. Let's try the up button. Oh, I can fly. Wow, that is so crazy. There's just one more I haven't tried. Pause. Pause. Help! Help! I'm paused. I can't move.
You seem fine. You're still talking.
Yeah, but my body can't move.
Whoa, why did controls just appear above your head?
Oh, you can see them? Okay, press play for me.
And why should I?
Please?
I don't know if a please is good enough.
Pretty please?
Alright, play.
Brianna, hurry, you're gonna miss the bus.
Oh, don't worry. I'll just run home.
Run home? Your house is a 2-hour walk from here.
It's okay. I'll just fast forward myself. Hi, Mom. I'm home.
That was quick. School just ended.
I know. I ran really fast. Good morning, Mom. I'm off to school. What the?
Here's your lunch.
Thanks. You? What is this?
Hurry now, you don't want to be late for school.
Mom, you've kissed that many people?
Excuse me?
Gross.
Hey, bestie.
Hey. No way. You haven't had your first kiss yet?
What are you talking about? I've definitely had my first kiss.
Come on, it's me. You can tell me the truth.
I am telling the truth. I've kissed like 6 guys.
Okay. I believe you.
I'm telling the truth. Hey, baby.
Babe. 15? Ooh, well, as long as they were before he met me, I guess.
Good morning, baby. I got you flowers.
You're so sweet. Thank you.
Anything for you.
Is everything okay? What's wrong?
Oh, nothing. I'll see you later, okay?
Love you.
Bestie, I really need to talk to you about something. You see, my boyfriend... No way. Bestie, you've had your first kiss?
I already told you, I had my first kiss a long time ago. I've kissed tons of guys.
Why do you keep lying to me?
Oh my gosh, that's so crazy. Isn't it? Hey, do you know where Brianna is? She's been avoiding me all day. No clue.
Bestie, could you be honest with me for once? Did you kiss my boyfriend? Because I saw that your kiss count went up and his kiss count went up.
First of all, how do you know our kiss counts? And no, I didn't kiss your boyfriend. I don't even like men. That's why I've been lying, saying I've kissed a bunch of guys. I was nervous about coming out, and I didn't want to tell you this way.
I'm so sorry. I just wanted to know who my boyfriend cheated on me with.
Good morning, Mom. I spy with my little eye my mom.
Here, take your vision blocking glasses.
I spy with my little eye these vision blocking glasses.
Wear them as much as you can so you don't have to say I spy all the time. I barely take mine off.
I spy with my little eye the ground. I spy with my little eye the bush. I spy with my little eye the bus.
Class, can anyone tell me why the earth is flat?
My eyes are so itchy. My glasses, where'd they go?
Timmy, say I spy.
I spy with my little eye a beautiful girl named Brianna.
Chad, is that you?
Of course it's me. Take off your glasses so I can see your beautiful eyes.
I don't know. It's not really safe.
Come on, Brianna. I just want to see your eyes. You know you can trust me.
Okay.
Give me those. Take off your glasses so I can see your beautiful eyes.
I don't know. It's not really safe.
Come on, Brianna. I just want to see your eyes. You know you can trust me.
Okay.
Give me those.
I spy with my little eye Chad. Give me back my glasses.
No way. I lost mine. Catch me if you can.
I spy with my little eye the wall. I spy with my little eye Chad. I spy with my little eye my vision blocking glasses.
Hey, give them back.
No, they're mine. And if you have your eyes open, you need to say I spy.
I spy with my little...
Chad? Chad?
Attention everyone. For population control, you may no longer wear your vision blocking glasses or keep your eyes closed for an extended period of time. Anyone who breaks these rules will be killed.
I spy with my little eye.
Mary had a little lamb.
Emily, stop singing. Where did you learn to sing?
I don't know, I just heard it on the TV.
You only sing when you want to kill someone. They play that on the TV because they want you to sing, but you can't, okay?
Okay. Honey, are you off to school now?
Yeah, I am.
You forgot to wear your earplugs. You must always keep them on while you're in public.
Do I have to wear them?
It's for your protection. You never know when someone could start singing. Hey, girl. Hey.
Ouch!
Now I got your attention.
What?
Keep out those earplugs. I want to talk to you.
My mom makes me wear them. She says you never know when someone could start singing.
Come on, hand them over. We're at school. No one would start singing here. Ring around the rosies, a pocket full of...
Help!
Ring around the rosies, a pocket full of...
Help!
Rosies, ashes. Here's your earplugs back. I was wrong. You might actually need them.
I saw someone die. Was it just him or were there others?
There were 3 others who didn't cover their ears in time. Hey, they canceled school for the day. Go home and get some rest.
Mom, I'm home.
Mary had a little lamb.
Emily, stop singing.
Little lamb.
Emily, why are you singing? I told you not to. It kills people.
Its fleece was white.
Mom!
Mom, there's something wrong with Emily. She won't stop singing. She's going to kill someone.
Mary had a little lamb,
Why are you singing?
little lamb.
I need to get out of here. I'm so sorry. Are you okay?
Rock-a-bye, babe.
I'm so sorry. Are you okay?
Rock-a-bye, baby.
Why is everyone singing?
Attention all citizens. Singing has now become contagious. You must wear earplugs at all times to stop the spread.
Mary had a little lamb, rock-a-bye baby on the treetops.
Ashes, ashes.
Everyone's singing.
Hey, take out your earplugs.
What?
It's just me and you.
It's just us?
Yes.
Okay.
Ring around the rosies.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot!
Oh man.
Rock, beat, scissors.
Round 2.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Rock wins. Rock, paper.
No.
What?
I'm not playing the third round.
Come on, one of us will win $1 million.
Yeah, but one of us will die.
That's a risk I'm willing to take.
I'm not. Hello?
The results came in. I have cancer.
What?
Treatment's going to be very expensive, and I'm too sick to work. We're going to lose our house soon. I don't know how we'll live.
Mom, don't worry about a thing. I'll get us all the money we need. Derek, let's play rock, paper, scissors. If we tie the first 2 rounds, I'll play the third round with you.
Rock, paper, scissors. I win.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Paper beats rock. Last round.
Rock,
paper,
rock,
paper,
scissors. We both chose paper.
We'll have to play again?
How about we split the money?
No way. I'm not splitting the money. I want the $1 million all for myself.
Derek, I don't want to die, and I don't want to see you die.
I'm not splitting. Rock, paper, scissors. There's no way.
Scissors beats paper.
You cheated. You're a cheater.
I didn't cheat.
Come with me, Derek. We're taking you to be executed. Oh, she didn't win fairly. She cheated. Did you hear? She killed Derek for $1 million.
I didn't kill Derek. We played a game we both agreed to, and I won.
There she is. I've been looking for you everywhere.
Ma'am, is everything okay?
I'm Derek's mother. I want to avenge my son. We're playing rock, paper, scissors till the third round.
Okay, I'll play with you.
Rock, paper. Wait, stop the game.